In this video, we are going to discuss the calculation of NPA date for a term loan. As you are well aware that an account will turn into NPA for term loan if the interest or and the installment of the principal remain overdue for 90 days. So let us see how it works. Term loan usually will be your like personal loan, vehicle loan, education loan. So let us suppose that a term loan, say suppose education loan, personal loan, vehicle loan or home loan. These are broadly retail loans. Now suppose you have sanctioned one loan on 1st January 2021, and as per the payment schedule, the first EMI start date say suppose you have a first EMI start date 1st February 2021. Now you have to find out the NPA date if customer or party has not paid the loan within the 90 days of account becoming overdue. So how will we find that one? It's very simple. EMI start date is this, that is, this is your due date. 1st February 2021 will be your due date. Now what will be the overdue date? Now overdue date will be starting with effect from 2nd February 2021, and as per the definition of the term loan to become an NPA, if the interest or installment or both remains overdue for more than 90 days. So overdue date, this is your overdue date, and from this date to 90 days means total 90 days overdue we have to calculate. Now if you see the calculation in February 2021, how many days we are having? Now from 2nd February we will be having overdue. So 2nd February till 28th February we will be having the overdue. So total number of days from 2nd February to from 2nd February 21 to 28 February 2021, total number of days will be 27 days. Okay, now again March 21, how many days? From 1st March 21 to 31st March 21. Here again we will be having 31 days. Now we have to calculate total 90 days. So 27 plus 31. So we are having 58. Now in the month of April, 21, total number of days from 1st April to 30 April. Here we will be having 30 days. So if you calculate this will be total 88 days. So 2 more days are there. Now in May 21, you will be having from 1st May 21 to 2nd May 21. Here again we are having 2 days. We are calculating total 90 days. So you see, so total number of days is 90 days. So as you can see, total 90 days. So till 2nd May we have completed the 90 days. That means NPA date will be 3rd of May 2021, because the account will remain overdue on 91st day. So 3rd May will be the 91st day. So friend, I hope you understand that one. Let us recap. Term loan, the concept will be the 90 days if the account remain overdue for 90 days. So the term loan, suppose one term loan has been sanctioned on 1st of January and EMI start date as per the credit sanction intimation or as per the agreement between the bank and the customer is 1st February 2021. So this 1st February 2021 will be your due date. And what will be the overdue date? Overdue means anything which is above the due date. So the overdue date will be the next day. So the next day will be the 2nd February. Now from 2nd February to 90 days if we calculate, then it will give you the NPA calculation date. So we have to calculate the 90 days first. So after 90 days, if there is no payment, if the customer has not paid, then on 91st day the account will be turned into NPA, and that date we have to calculate. So if there is no payment within the 90 days, on 91st day account will be slipped to NPA. So you see, we are going to calculate from 2nd February till that 90 days. What will be the date? So from 2nd February to 28th February we have a 27 days. Now from 1st March to 31st March we have a 31 days. Then from 1st April to 30th April we have a 30 days. So here it will 27 plus 31 plus 30, total 88 days. Now we have 2 more days. Now in May, 1st May to 2nd May we have a 2 days. So total 90 days. Now if in these 90 days no payment comes, then on 91st days the account will slip to NPA. So 90 days overdue, not the 90 days from the EMI date, 90 days from the overdue date. That means after the date of the EMI immediately. So 2nd February will be your overdue date, and then this way you can calculate, and NPA date will be 3rd of May 2021. So it's so simple. So NPA date declared will be 3rd of May 2021. So this is the way we can calculate the NPA date of any term loan account. So I hope you have understood the concept of the calculation of NPA date. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask the same in the comment section. And in the next video, we are going to calculate the same for the running account, that is the CC or OD. So friends, till then, take care. Goodbye.